Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today we're making a creamy, flavorful and hearty tortellini soup. Super easy to prepare and ready in about 20 minutes. First, dice 2 medium carrots and an onion. If you don't feel like chopping, you can just use a frozen veggie mix. Sauté the vegetables in a little oil for about 5 minutes. Add a pinch of salt to help them release moisture. This step makes them tender and brings out their natural sweetness. Next, add a quarter teaspoon of thyme and cayenne pepper along with half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Let everything sauté for another minute until fragrant. Pour in 5 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. If you're using unsalted broth, make sure to adjust the salt to taste. Then stir in 100 grams of frozen peas. Bring it all to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, prep your tortellini. I'm using 250 grams of ricotta tortellini, but ham, spinach or your favorite variety will work just as well. Add the tortellini to the soup and cook for about 3 more minutes until they're almost done. Turn off the heat and stir in 200 ml of cooking cream. This will give the soup a smooth texture and a richer mouthfeel. I like to add a handful of spinach at this point for an extra boost of greens. And that's it. Taste and adjust the salt, and if you like, add some black pepper. Give it a final stir and you're done. I love this soup because it's quick, comforting and packed with flavor, from the sweetness of the onions and cream to the gentle heat of the spices. And don't forget those cheesy tortellini. I'll leave a few extra tips in the description if you want to tweak the recipe further. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing for more delicious, easy recipes. Until next time, bon appetit!